Well, good morning. This is not how I planned to start the video, but we're coming down the lake.
And Joe catches a cormorant.
And he catches a cormorant. Flies right into us.
Smile for the camera there, dude.
Well, that's not really how I expected to start this video off this morning, but I mean,
all right,
it'll work.
We're going to let him go.
Let him go.
See you, buddy. All right, he left.
Well, I must say that is a first. Never imagined that happening, but we're right here at our spot where we're going.
Just not the breath.
Well, we was going, I thought I seen something in Les and Joe's lap, but all right, so let's get to the spot. Okay. Shoo, we got the boat parked. Now, together, we're gonna take a look at the blind. See what kind of work old Luke's done on this thing. We got the Taj Mahal, boys. Look at this, look at this. Well, that's where you can cook breakfast.
Not seat.
Not seat. Well, I kind of figured.
What is that? Raid? Somebody gave us some bug killer?
Yeah, we're gonna be smoking some wasps.
Oh gosh.
Hey, look, we can drop that down.
Not seat. That's for the dog.
I mean, let breakfast begin on this side.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna need one of these today. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah. And I mean, you can see all the decoys right out there. I mean, y'all can't see it, but I'll be able to show you more when it's light. Well, all I know is that we've got the cover, so if they do come and land in the decoys, that's the only way we're gonna be able to kill them is if they land in the decoys.
Yeah, you ain't
shooting no passing,
No.
Well, you'll have about a split second.
Yeah. Well, first time we've been in this blind in a while. It's nice, but we're gonna give it a shot. So here we are trying to get ready, and a boat runs up on us right here at shooting time. Can't. Oh shit, I'm about to fall in this damn line. People gonna run up on us right here at shooting time. This happened Saturday. We didn't see no ducks and they was throwing decoys out. Don't be those people. God dang, don't be those people. But we're about 20 minutes. We're gonna start killing some birds. Go time. Right there, right there, right there. Coming to our left, coming to our left. Huh? That was a very far poke. I about said do it, but I was like, I did have the 3.5 in. See, I hate doing that. Because it's like, do you take them or do you try to get them to work to come in? Trying to discipline myself a little more.
Yep. I like seeing decoys.
Yeah. Where?
Right around here, they're still working. See?
Oh, damn, they sure are.
They're still working.
Where? Damn.
Keep working.
Damn. They did. Hang on. They gonna try it, Right here. Hey, he's still swimming.
I got him.
Shot over him.
Right there, boys. 2 birds. Right there, Joe. Give me some. Yeah, get him. I think that's ring note.
I think the ringer's my sweet.
Good shooting, boys. Them two wanted it bad.
They did. They didn't make a. They come and I turned around in the tree.
God dang, that's a group of birds. Jeez Louise. I don't know. Holy God, that was a group of birds. So, I'm gonna go try to retrieve these birds real quick. I gotta walk down this island and go get the boat while we got a little bit of a break. Seen that one big group of birds. We got these two, I believe they're ringneck. It's a little dark. But get these birds real quick. I think we've had a cold snap. It's about 29 this morning. So I think it's doing good for us if I can get these birds, and hopefully we can get some mallards or something to come in. But I'll take it. This is good for us. So let's go jump in the boat and let's go get these birds and try not to slide down this hill. Oh, what is clay? That clay is no joke. First duck. Come here. Oh, you little jerk. I'll get you in a minute. Swimming away from me. Ringneck. Ringneck number 1. Over top. God dang it, I gotta hurry up and get this freaking bird. I got you now. Damn it. Bird keeps diving on me, guys. Got it. Shoot at. Oh, I was sitting there hollering. Did you get it? Did you get it?
What you got there, man?
Couple ringnecks. Ain't bad. Then we got a little. We got 2 of them right there. This one ain't as plumed out, but he's still a little dark on the belly. Yeah, a little juvie. But now we just need some more. You right there?
On the egg.
So we just had a boat leave,
That little flip thing Jeff said.
and we had 2 bufflehead come busting up in the decoys, and it's kind of tall. We got these little steps right here. Yeah, me and Jeff both fell off of them when we was trying to shoot, and we missed them. We missed them bigger than crap. 2, I mean, it was a drake and a hen, pretty as they could be. It happened really quick. Didn't even get the GoPro on. But hey, listen, if they're here, it could happen again.
Oh yeah, they could come back.
They could come back. It could happen again. So we're gonna sit it out and wait on them. Then Joe spit water through his nose.
Cause that little flip thing that Jeff was talking
Cause
about.
he was shot and it kind of done that. And done a little flip on the exit. Never a dull moment in the duck blind. What y'all think of this duck blind? Boy, it's She wide open. And we got the, since it's light now, I can show you. There's a decoy spread. Got mallards out here, a couple ringneck. Got your wood ducks here. Some more mallards out there. Winds to our back.
And them bufflehead just did us dirty.
And they did. They come right out, come around, swung right in, just like them ringneck done. Just like the ringneck done. Well, hopefully that wasn't the last group. Maybe we can get one more. Man, it's been really nice to have 2 bufflehead.
Oh, yeah.
Oh well. I do believe we is gonna call it a day. We are not seeing much of anything anymore. Some of us have to work, so we got to go to work. But missed the 2 bufflehead, killed the ringnecks, had a bunch of passing, but I don't know. It was a pretty good day. But let's go get these decoys up. I'll see you back at the house. We made it back to the house, got everything put up. But guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. We had a fairly good hunt for around here. Birds, there were some birds there. There was a whole lot more than what I expected. We had a cold front move through, and hey, it worked out for us. We got the 2 ringneck, 2 Drake ringneck. There was a big group out there flying. I'm gonna guess they were bluebills. They were too far to really tell. Missed the 2 bufflehead, had some mallards. They just wouldn't decoy, but all in all, I'm very tickled with this hunt. If you're new, go ahead, drop down, hit the subscribe button. Guys, we've got, it's just the start of duck season. We have many more videos hopefully to come in another month. Like I said in the last one, we're going to Pamlico. That's going to be a whole series in itself, and that one's going to be good, I have a feeling. But guys, there's a whole lot more to come. But until next time, we'll see you.